Come with me as I'm creating these custom bling out Converse. So remember back in February, I showed you guys how I created my bestie shoes. So she actually referred me to someone, and these are the supplies I used, all flatbacks from Amazon. Even with that, I have custom lettering, that's blinged out lettering, custom accessories. So I start off with the smallest flatbacks and I put them on the back edge of the shoe. From there, I grab my adhesive glue after I've already blinged out the Converse emblem, and I just add dots. From there, I put on all the blue colors first because her goal is she wanted the same type of shoes as my bestie, but she wanted them to be a little bit different. Now with this step, after I added all the intricate colors, these are the very tedious steps where you have to add the very small flatbacks to your shoes. Very tedious. You have to have extreme patience to do that. From here, I just bling out the flat part where the shoestrings go. And from there, this is pretty much what it looks like when I'm done. Up until now, I started to create it to be specialized. And sometimes I like to put people's names on it to make it more intricate for them and personalized for their vibes. So for her, I added Quita on here. This is what she wanted her name to be. And I had no problem adding it on there. I had the extra supplies, so I said, why not? Let's do it. So the satin shoestrings, got those from Amazon as well. Everything on here is pretty much from Amazon. I don't think I got anything but the shoe. She mailed me the shoe, and I designed them. And you'll see at the end that I mailed them right back to her, preferably on time for her event. But this is what it is, telling her that they're on the way, so she's not, afraid that they won't arrive on time. I love the intricate details. I love the in-depth designs. This took me about a week. Normally these designs, I normally need at least 2 weeks, but she wanted to put a rush on it. And if it is required, I'm willing to comply. So I added an extra little shoe bling on there to customize it just for her, so she can have her own customized shoes. So they are a little different from my bestie shoes, but they are very much similar. You can't tell them the difference if they were ever standing by each other, though they may be twinning, but they do look very little similar, but a lot different. But I like the way they came out very well, even in the amount of time that I had to create them. I like to stuff the shoes with either paper or sometimes old rags, just so I'm not damaging the shoe as I move about it. So in the mailing process, I like to wrap them up in bubble wrap, just so everything is secure during travel. These are going back to Georgia from Florida. So I do want to just make sure that when I'm sending packages back, these are people, funds, their money. So I want to make sure that I'm taking care of them as if they were my own. And that's how I handle anything that I make or ship out. So as a free gift, a freebie, I gave her one of my t-shirts from my company, Mama Said. Check me out on TikTok or Instagram at mamasaid.org. So this is just a freebie that she can have, nothing that I need from that. My free mailer to just tell her about the t-shirt. And then I just put her shoes right back in the same box she mailed them to me. And it makes it easier. I don't have to get any additional boxes. Even the mailer box that she mailed it to me in, I just put everything right back in there. I just make sure everything is neat and done correctly. So for shipping, there is no issues or concerns. I always do this with anything that I mail because it's my work. I'm very, very, very particular about my work, and I want to make sure that it is delivered properly and the right way because that's a representation of myself. So remember that anytime you order things from me, I put my love in it because this is a gift that I got from God, and I try not to never take it for granted. So this is pretty much it. Mail is ready. This is what they look like before I start, and this is what they look like, everybody. Oh my gosh, I am like so in love with them. It's giving good vibes. It's giving see me. I told her I want you to have all the compliments the entire night. Keep checking on my workout, everybody. Peace.